Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 error codes 23, 52 and 53. Clean the contact pins. In almost every case of this, it's the moisture that is the cause. If you've inserted the mixing bowl with the contact pins that have moisture on them, then you'll need to remove the moisture. Occasionally it may be some debris, then you also need to remove it. So it's best to just remove your mixing bowl from the base and now clean the contacts. It's very easy to do it. You can use a paper towel and wipe them off thoroughly, and later you can easily just insert the bowl back into the base, and now it should be fixed. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.